So on the conversation on social engagement right here, we are having a couple of youths who are going to share with us their thought and understanding on social engagement. Allow them to introduce themselves. Hi.
Hi, I'm Ellie Kipto. I'm actually happy and blessed to be here today. Okay, my thought on today's on social engagement, I have a different view that men are thought to be hunters, but not all men have that aspect of trying to see a girl or trying to shoot a shot. So my aspect is this: if a lady has find an interest on a man, if he shows the moves, that's well and good. So that
So you
means,
think girls also should embrace?
yeah, I think that they should take part in this. Yeah.
All right. Hi, please. What is your thought on the same?
Hi, I'm Brenda Chipoy, and thank you for this. Okay, I think on social engagement and relationship, it's two-way traffic. A man can come approach a lady, but also a lady, if a lady has an interest to a man, he or she can make a step. But again, men want to feel that masculinity, like he's the one who has approached the lady, like, yeah. But again, if a lady wants a man, he should not go and say, oh, like, John, I like you and I like everything about you, no. Like, do something that will make them understand that you like them.
So men should start.
Men should start, yeah.
So ladies should not.
Uh, they should not actually.
All right, you change your mind. Okay. Please, let's hear your thought.
Hi, I'm Emily. I have a different opinion. Me as a lady, I can advise that if I'm a lady and I've seen someone whom I like, honestly, I just show interest first. And for me, showing you interest, it's like I'm giving you a hint, like, I really like you. I haven't said that I like you and I want to, but I really like you, so I'm giving you that chance of saying that I like you. You should approach. Yeah.
Okay, so Wasama, thank you so much for your thought. Hi.
Hi, I'm Gloria, and I think I'd say with the current generation that we have, I don't think the lady should approach. We've been told that we should just make ourselves show the interest, cause most of the time the men that we're dealing with at this point, they'd be like, if a lady approaches me, she's cheap. So then afterwards, because a lot of ladies have done that, and at the end of the day, they've been demeaned just because they decided to make that bold step. Yeah, so I don't. Okay, yeah, you can, but the men that we're dealing with at this point, no, they're not that promising.
So on a spiritual angle, as in a religious space like this, what will be your thought?